KhatzuMemo. Like SuperMemo or Mnemosyne, but web-based. Written by Khatzumoto, posted sometime prior to January of 2007. Hello everyone, Happy New Year! Kingashinen! Lately, I have been silent, but not idle. Here's the story. As you're probably aware, in Japan, especially larger cities like Tokyo, there's a lot of this business of moving around on trains. This leaves a train passenger with lots of free time to do things like stare into space, or stare at pictures of Nakama Yuki, the star of Gokusen and official spokeswoman for cell phone provider AU, or stare at other passengers. Now, those things are all fun, but 1. Space gets boring to stare at. 2. The Nakama Yuki pictures only get updated about every fortnight. And 3. Other passengers sometimes stare back, and it gets awkward if they had different expectations for the inter-passenger relationship. My favorite thing has been to stare at my laptop computer while doing repetitions on my SRS. However, 1. The laptop is relatively big and heavy, even though it's a smaller model. It definitely needs a lap. 2. You can't operate it one-handed. Katate sousa. 3. If there are a lot of passengers, there may not be enough space to use the laptop at all. So, I wanted a device that was small, portable, and one-handed operatable. One answer would be a super small laptop or a sweet PDA, but the former is unnecessarily expensive, about $1,000 to $2,000, and PDAs just kind of suck. PDA software is always so short-lived and expensive and ill-supported, and it always uses stupid, incompatible, proprietary file formats that no other software in the world can read. But I digress. Anyways, to make a long story short, since this is Japan and I have a cell phone that connects to the internet, I decided to make a web-based SRS that both my cell phone and PC can connect to. It's called KhatzuMemo, in honor of the two programs that inspired it, SuperMemo and Mnemosyne. It has two characteristics that I think are important. It combines the bare-bones simplicity of Mnemosyne with the comprehensive statistic gathering of SuperMemo. The interface is simple and designed with a typical Japanese cell phone's web browser in mind. Few pictures, no JavaScript, numbered hotkeys, but it is a web app, so you can use it from a PC as well. In fact, it should work on any machine that has web access and a decent browser. Think of it as a web-based SuperMemo or a web-based Mnemosyne. If you're like me, and you always have access to a computing device and to the internet, but find yourself using multiple devices, then a web-based app might be ideal. You can start using KhatzuMemo right away. It is still, quote-unquote, in beta, but it is also stable enough that Momoko and I now use it exclusively. KhatzuMemo is free to use and will always remain free to use. I will also make an effort to ensure that you have access to your data in as many ways as reasonably possible and can get things like backup copies of it. Anyway, please give it a go, and as always, your questions, comments, suggestions, and requests are more than welcome.